we go. Okay, Arctic Expedition 2009. Walking to Benny's to get the sled. Benny's is up there. I'm not sure if you can see it. That's about 6 blocks away. We can see it from here, but the problem is we have to go through this much snow. This is my leg next to the snow. What?
That part's not shoveled.
That part's not shoveled, okay.
Yay!
I'm gonna cover up my face a little so I don't freeze to death. Cover up your face. It's hideous covered. No, I'm kidding. Yeah, it's not show. Okay, okay. Fuck you, sled. Okay, I want to put down the camera, but I can't because it's funny. I think someone lost a dog in there. There's no way out except for there. All right, where are we going now? Try to cross the street without dying. Maybe. Wait, Kai, there's cars. Hold still for a minute. No cars. Ugh. All right, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna walk on the side over there. So when this car goes by, go across the street. Okay, go. Go.
I'm not running.
Fuck
you.
Okay.
Does not seem like the best idea.
More cameraing when we get to the store.